Your first month in this business might be like negative like 300 bucks. Your second month might be negative 100. Your third might be positive 47. Your fourth, 200 bucks. Your fifth, maybe 250. Your sixth, you got cocky. Maybe you're like $100 in the positive. Your seventh might be 3 grand. Your eighth might be 3,200. Your ninth might be 10 grand. But do you see that scale? Look at that scale. That's how this business works. It's not linear. We're not employees. We don't just make a little and then make a little more, make a little more. This business is all up and down, but the ups make up for so many of the downs. And the ups happen overnight. It just takes a few nights for that first overnight success. And I have seen this with training thousands of students. I've seen this in my account over and over and over again with different books. That reason should be the reason that sells you on why you need to give this 12 months. Because if you give it 6 months, you're gonna end up leaving before success even had a chance to catch up to you. And that happens all the time, all the time.